Okay, Dan, what are we about to do?
We're about to take a toast. Thanks.
Okay.
Okay, what? What are you holding that for? Here. Okay. There you go. Now is it looking at us? Yep, come here.
Looking at you.
What's the toast for?
For a good weekend.
It's 8:30 in the morning. We're going to do a shot. And we're going to go drive home.
I think I'll be out of our system by then.
What are we doing toast for?
For the New Year.
I'm not drinking it all in one drink. Want to trade? Try this. These are 100 proof.
Are they really?
Yeah, 99 proof.
Oh my god. It burns. It burns. It burns.
It's a good deep burn. Ain't bad.
Your turn to cheers.
Okay, this is for the haul back. Your apple one isn't nearly as strong as that orange one, huh?
Mm.
Swallow. So, as you can see,
2 backpacking trips.
we just drank a half of a shot. A half of a shot.
I gotta watch that paper now.
And we will take the rest. Maybe when we get down there. Nothing. That's it.